Hello little friends, today we are moving with our lesson number 5th, family values. Come to on page number 25. Effects of honest and dishonest behavior. We do many different things every day. Sometimes we make mistakes. When we realize that we have made a mistake, we should talk about it openly with our friends and family. By doing this, we learn to be honest and find a way to correct our mistakes. It is also necessary to be honest and sincere in our work. We must try hard to keep the trust in our relationship and never cheat. If we are honest, we do not have to be afraid. But if we are dishonest, we lose our self-confidence. We must be honest at home as well as in public. Everyone respects an honest person. Honesty is our strength. Now, this means that we must be honest in our behavior and not be dishonest. In the next slide, there is honesty in public life. The first point is that we should observe honesty in public life, thereby we will get better public services and facilities. That means that what happens if we travel on a train or bus without a ticket? Our public transport system will run at a loss and would soon have to shut down. If each person buys a ticket honestly, this problem will not arise. It will increase discipline and efficiency in public life. Honesty can increase efficiency in public life. Honesty is the best way to increase discipline and efficiency in public life. Now move on to our fourth slide. Advantages of cooperation. In a family, we cooperate with each other. Similarly, in team sports, the more the players cooperate with one another, the better is their game. Instead of keeping the feeling of cooperation restricted to sports, we should bring it into public life as well. Everyone needs cooperation in public life. We too need the help of others. Fairs, rallies and other such gatherings can only be arranged successfully if we cooperate with another. Just like when we are playing a team game in our school, you must need cooperation. If one player is not cooperate with another, then you will not win in your game. When we are arrange gathering as any programs in our school, there must be cooperation between all the boys and girls. Then our program will be success. This means that the advantages of the cooperation. Depending on that, what's the solution I have given and answers are also given under the question. Now move on to the fifth. Now the next topic is the tolerance. Tolerance is respecting opinions which are different from our own. That means we have to respect others' opinion also. This means the tolerance. We may not agree with each other every time. Sometimes there are disagreements even between friends. At such time we must try to understand the point of view of others instead of insisting that only our point of view is correct. Sometimes when your friends are talking about something, you say that no, my opinion only is correct. But don't do that. On such occasion, we must listen to other person. In this way, we learn to be tolerant. Respecting opinion which are different from our own is called tolerance or broad mindset. Tolerance has a specific significance in our country. People from various religions, creeds, we are living in such a country where all the various religions, creeds, cultures and different customs live there. That is why it is necessary for everyone to be tolerant or broad-minded. We have to listen to others also. Diversity can be preserved through tolerance. Diversity enriches our social life. Now the next topic is the gender equality. Gender equality means not to discriminate between boys and girls, men and women, and give them equal treatment. Yes. When I am learning you lesson, every time I have told you that boys and girls are equal. Boys and girls respect each other. Basic needs of everyone must be fulfilled. That means that when at home your mama is giving a cup of milk every morning, same you must have got the same cup of milk. There is no discrimination between the boys and girls. Yes. Now everyone should get opportunity to learn and make progress. Not your brother, not your cousin only go to school, but you also go to school. You have a gender equality rule and law to go in the school, and every must opportunity got the opportunity to learn and make progress. By developing this sense of equality, everyone get to learn and make progress. Food and clothing, shelter, health and education are the common need of men and women. For the purpose of equality, each of these needs must be fulfilled properly. Men and women have equal right to full facilities such as this. Just like that, your father is a bread owner in your home, then mother will also help him in house chores, in her financial